Hi guys, Sourdough Kathy here today, and I want to give you all a big apology. It's been 2 weeks since I put anything up. I have been taking videos, but I have had a number of family issues. Our dog has been sick. We've had vet appointments. It's been pouring rain here for days upon days. So I am going to do at least 3 to 4 pots of my chitted skins only today and try and get this up, so please forgive me. So I'm going to start with one, and I hope you can see this, but this pot is deformed. So I think I know there's some on top because I had to cover it up with some grass here to prevent them from turning green. But this is the first day without any rain. I think we even had some rain last night, if I'm not mistaken. I'm just thankful that no blight or anything has happened, but yeah, there's potatoes. Even this wheelbarrow has some leftover water in it, and it's very wet, so it's hard for me to even get it out. Wow, I don't know how I'm going to do this. I guess we'll start at the top and pull, which is not easy. All right, we got a potato here. I'm going to put the potatoes over here in the corner. I don't know if you can see that, but I'll show them to you anyway. And it's only because this area here is so full of water. As well as this pot. And this is what I was afraid. I didn't want anything to rot on me. Holy macaroni. Oh. And this looks like my kind that I like, a mixture. Oh, look at this. Ah, no wonder it didn't want to come out. That is one nice potato. And this is the mixed kind that I really enjoy. So, oh wow, another really nice one. I think much longer and we'd have scab problems. Nice potatoes. I could tell just by feeling it was full of potatoes. And this is just look at the size of these. They are awesome. Just awesome. Holy moly, I don't think I've ever had potatoes this big before. And I want to make sure this is the chitted potato skin. If I can. I can't be sure I will, but yep. Potato skin. Cut right there. If you can see that, I hope you can. That's it. So, that is a chitted potato skin. And those are the spuds. Boy, that gave me some nice potatoes. Okay, we're gonna weigh them now. Dave, can you come on over here and get the scale ready? I have a bag. But I always weigh it wrong. Here, this one's fine. So, wow, I gotta say, this one's probably gotta be a pound in itself almost. 3/4 of a pound for one potato. Holy moly. I hope I can get them in. You're probably gonna have to hold the bag up. All right, we're working on it here, folks. Tie it up. Now this is from one chitted potato skin.
3.5 pounds exactly.
3.5 pounds exactly on the nose. See, this is something that I've always believed, that you get the better stuff from the chitted potato skins. Okay, now we're going to try the next one, see what we get in this one. Not saying we're going to get the same amount, but we'll see what happens. And I might do a fourth one, depending on how much I get out of this. It is getting quite chilly. My heat actually went on all by itself last night in the house. So when it does that, that means it's at least 68 degrees in the house. These are also my favorites. Oh, and these are putting out some awesome potatoes. Look at this, guys. They are putting out the nicest potatoes. They're all nice. I'm hoping you'll be able to see all of these. I'm not sure where I need to put them, where you can see them. Can you see? Never mind. Well, I think they can see it in here anyway. Now there aren't quite as many large ones, but there's still lots of potatoes in here for a piece of a chit. And there's the chit right there, the little chunk of skin right there, as I've said. And as you can see, I've gotten a lot of potatoes again. Okay, so let's see how much we got from this guy. Put them all in this bag. Alrighty. This one gave me 2 and just short of a half. Am I correct? Just short of a half.
Yeah.
So 2 pounds, 6 ounces. Not bad for a piece of skin. Now this one's been dry. I don't know why, because it's been out in the rain like everything else, but it appears to be dry. So I'm not as sure what we're going to get out of this one. Not only is our dog sick, but we found out he needs a hip replacement, so he's going to have to go in for a hip replacement, if you can believe that. And you don't even want to know how much that cost. Yeah, this is pretty dry. I'm not sure what will happen here, if anything. Looks like I should have watered it, huh? But got one nice sized one, still the same ones that I like, and another big one. Wow, these are putting out some big potatoes. I did crack that one off a little bit. I hope that doesn't hurt it. There isn't as much on this one, but the size, and that's one thing I wanted to see this year, is the size of them. If by the chitting you get bigger ones than you do with regular ones. Here's my proof that it's just the chit, just a little piece of skin right there that I cut off. I'm going to throw that over there, and I think I can just weigh these right there in the thing. And from that one we got 1 pound and, let's see, a half. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 pound and 3/4. So 1 pound and 3/4 for a piece of skin. Not bad at all. Let's see, I think I'm going to do one more if you could just pick one and hand it to me, the one that looks the worst. Maybe that big bushy one in the back. Yeah, right there. Excuse my sniffling, but it's a bit chilly here. Thank you. All right. Ooh, this one feels heavy. Ooh, looks like there might be potatoes in it because it's splitting up in the top. So this is the fourth one. And then I'll leave the last few because it's supposed to be a nice day. I'll just put that into another video. It seems like everyone really enjoys potato reveals. And I have to admit, I enjoy them myself. Before I started filming anything, I used to watch them all the time. And I still watch them, other people's. Okay, let's see. And these are not big pots. These are just, you know, this one might be 14 by 10. Let's see what we got here. I see we go, oh my goodness, another huge one. Look at that. Looks like a heart. Fits in the palm of my hand. I'm gonna put that right there. These are some beautiful spuds, boy, I'll tell you. Oh my goodness, they are lovely. I am impressed this year that I got so many bigger ones. See, I truly believe that the smaller the chit, the better the yield as far as size and everything is concerned. If you've looked at some of my other videos, you see how much I get from half and whole ones. So if I'm getting 2-3 pounds from just a piece of skin, what's better? Now some of these are small, but that's okay. We've been eating all those small ones up. Making mashed potatoes and buttered and parsley potatoes. Dave loves those. Okay, that looks to be about it on that one. Boy, that's a nice sized potato there, that one. Okay, I'm gonna put it in the bag. Okay, if you could do that, honey, I'll hand them.
Just put them in the bag.
I'm glad I covered them up so they didn't get green. I noticed that some of the potatoes that I had done this year, even though they were covered up, were kind of greenish. I don't know why, inside. Okay. And this one is
2 and
looks like 3/4.
2 3/4.
2 3/4 pounds for a piece of skin. Okay guys, that's it. I hope you'll, like I said, forgive me for not keeping up with all this stuff. I hope you'll do all that nice stuff. Click subscriptions, comments if you have any, and I really thank you, all my new subscribers, for watching. God bless you now. Bye-bye, and I love y'all.